in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get the most profitable beat niche. Alright, so you want to go ahead and look up the upcoming albums. So you want to look up upcoming albums on Google. Excuse me. And then you'll see some of these albums here. Some of the albums that you have. Now, what I can see right here while recording this video, this is single Utopia by Travis Scott. This is a great album that's going to be coming. Now, it doesn't matter if you like Travis Scott or not. Okay, that's a different story. Okay, so a lot of people are going to listen to this album. Okay, let's just not kid ourselves. A lot of people are going to look are going to be waiting for this album. What's about this album? And there's going to be a different kind of sound that's going to be coming in this album that we're going to be seeing. So as soon as this album drops, there's going to be a ton of people who are going to be searching for the sound this album has. And so you just want to go ahead and capitalize on the, on that sound. So what you want is just go ahead and look up Utopia release date. So you just want to wait till this album gets released. And then as soon as this album drops, you just go ahead and give it a listen. Then you just go into the studio, make some beats like this guy. All right, so this is just one thing that you can do to sort of really surge the sales that you have. You can definitely go ahead and use the tag called Travis Scott Utopia type beat. Okay, Travis Scott new 2022 type beat. All right, so something in that perspective, that line, it's gonna get a lot of sales. It's gonna get a lot of views, as you can see. So if we go into the Google Trends and we search Travis Scott here, okay, we search Travis Scott. As you can see, okay, he's not really getting that many views. He's not getting that many. He's not trending at right now. But on 7th and 13th November, he was trending due to the you know what happened at his festival. And so you definitely want to go ahead and look up these upcoming albums. You wanna just like set a date when this is going to be releasing. Okay, so if you make Travis Scott type beat, if you like Travis Scott music, so if you like his style, you're just gonna go ahead and look up the upcoming albums. And this album is coming right now. You can definitely go ahead and capitalize as soon as this drops. So I hope this helps you guys. And actually, this is not the only one album that you want to look up to. There are like a ton of albums that you can go ahead and sort of capitalize on, but you definitely want to go ahead and look at what kind of beat you make. Okay, so if you make indie rock type beat, so I know a lot of people make indie rock, indie pop type beat. Okay, so they want to go ahead and look up the this guy, Beach House, or I'm not sure what Beach House is actually. Let's see, the Wombats. All right, the Wombats, right? So for those of you who making indie rock type beat, Wombats album is coming. Okay, they're gonna get ton of views, they're gonna get ton of traction. Okay, right now I'm pretty sure they're not getting that much traction, but let's just go ahead and give it a shot. All right, so it's kind of going down right now. 28, 35, 56. Okay, not that much, right? You want the Wombats are from the UK, so you definitely want to go ahead and check out what's it's like in the UK. So not much is happening here in the UK either, but we're gonna go. We definitely gonna get. So it's releasing on 7 January 2022. Okay, this is a great time. Okay, we already know this guy. These guys are dropping the album on 7 January. Ton of people are gonna be searching for it. I think there's some of the songs that have also been released. So a ton of people are going to be looking for this sound that the Wombats have got. The Wombats are like indie rock, in British rock bands, So for those of you making rock beats, this is your time, guys. Go ahead and capitalize on that one. I personally, I'm kind of looking for these new beats. Some of the beats that I make, usually make in a similar style, but I make. I actually used to make some of these British rock type beats, but now I kind of have started to do something else. But you guys gonna go ahead and just keep looking at the album release date. It's very, very important because they get a ton of views, they get a ton of traction, and there's a new sound that usually come in a new album, because the new album is a new piece of work. So they really want to make sure to put something different in this new piece of work. So you definitely want to go ahead and look at it and check it out and kind of mimic the sound. You don't want to just copy it. Okay. Machine Gun Kelly's also going to be releasing his album 2022. Any of you guys, all right, just go ahead and look up upcoming albums, save the date. Okay, go ahead. Okay, go hard on that. All right, if you haven't started your channel yet, this is the perfect opportunity. Okay, 2022 is going to be the year that we're all going to go ahead and going to get to. I really, really hope that each one of us making beats, each one of us watching my videos, subscribe to my channel, get to really eat, man. They should get to really, get a lot of sales. So even if it doesn't come right away, you really want to go ahead and look for the perfect opportunity, okay, and then just go ahead and go hard. Hit the iron while it's hot. It's the kind of motto that I can give you guys in this video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys had fun. I hope to see you next time. But this before I go, I just really want to make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and like this video. Hit the thumbs up, please. It really helps me out. It really helps the algorithm. And if you're watching this till the end, this is also very, very helpful. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. All right.